A glass of lemon with garlic consumed on an empty stomach for 7 days, and your arteries will begin to naturally clean themselves. But if you prepare it incorrectly, not only will it have no effect, it could even make your problem worse. 85% of people over 40 years old have plaque buildup inside their arteries without even knowing it. And that plaque, silently, is the number one cause of heart attacks and strokes. In the next few minutes, I will reveal to you how this 1,000-year-old combination of garlic and lemon can help clean your arteries, and 3 changes you will notice in just 7 days if you prepare it correctly, as I will guide you. I am Dr. Anna Laura, a doctor and physical therapy specialist, and I have spent many years helping elderly people regain their mobility and independence. And what I will share with you today can truly save your life. Because cardiovascular disease is the number one cause of death in the world, and most of it begins with something silent. Traditional medicine has used this method for over 2,000 years, and now modern science is confirming what our ancestors already knew. What is happening inside your arteries? First, let me begin by explaining what is really happening inside your arteries right now. Your arteries are like the roads in your body. Blood travels through them, carrying oxygen and nutrients to all the cells in our body. But over time, those roads gradually become blocked. The main cause is called atherosclerosis, which is the accumulation of plaque inside the arteries in their walls, causing this blockage. This plaque mainly consists of oxidized cholesterol, calcium, dead cells, and fats. Imagine your arteries like water pipes. Over the years, calcium deposits and residue accumulate. Water no longer flows as before. Pressure increases, and eventually the pipe gets blocked or bursts. That is exactly what is happening with your arteries. Plaque accumulates slowly year after year. Your heart has to pump harder to circulate blood. Your organs receive less oxygen. And one day that plaque ruptures or the artery becomes completely blocked, and that is when a heart attack or stroke occurs. The worst part is this happens silently. No pain, no symptoms until suddenly it is too late. That is why cleaning your arteries is so important, and why garlic with lemon is so effective. The science behind it all. Chase CHU10 chapter, Convoice. Garlic contains a compound called allicin. This compound forms when you crush or cut garlic and it is exposed to air. Allicin has 3 very powerful effects on your arteries. First, it reduces LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol as it is called, and increases good HDL cholesterol. Second, it prevents cholesterol from oxidizing, and oxidized cholesterol is what actually sticks to your arteries, forming the plaque that causes blockages. Third, it dilates your blood vessels, naturally lowering blood pressure levels. Now, lemon contributes something different but complementary. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, flavonoids, and antioxidant compounds. And these antioxidants protect your cardiovascular system from oxidative damage. But here is the key. When you combine garlic with lemon, the vitamin C from the lemon protects the allicin from the garlic. This makes the allicin remain active in your body up to 5 times longer. It is a perfect combination. One enhances the other, and the arteries receive double benefits. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition of the United States demonstrated that people who consumed garlic and lemon daily for 12 weeks reduced arterial plaque by 18% without medication, only through natural means. 3 changes you will notice in 7 days. The specific changes you will notice in just 7 days. The first change you will experience, and probably the fastest, is in your blood pressure. High blood pressure is known as the silent killer because it has no symptoms until at some point it causes serious damage, a heart attack or stroke or kidney damage. When your arteries are narrowed by plaque, your heart has to pump that blood harder. That extra pumping force is what creates blood pressure. Garlic has a vasodilating effect. That means it helps relax the arterial walls, allowing them to expand. Like opening a valve that was half closed, immediately the pressure decreases. Many studies have shown that garlic can reduce systolic blood pressure by 8 to 10 mmHg and diastolic blood pressure by 5 to 6 mmHg. This is equivalent to the effect of some blood pressure medications. And here is what is impressive. These effects begin to be noticed in just 3 to 5 days. You do not have to wait months. If you have a blood pressure monitor at home, I recommend you measure your blood pressure before starting this protocol and then measure it again until day 7 daily, and you will notice a significant difference. But be careful, this does not mean you stop your medication. If you are already taking blood pressure medication, keep taking it. This is a complementary measure, not a replacement. Perhaps later your treating doctor will say you can reduce the dose, but always under medical supervision. The second major change you will notice, although this one you will see through blood tests rather than symptoms, is in your cholesterol and triglyceride levels. High cholesterol is one of the main cardiovascular risk factors. But not all cholesterol is bad. You have LDL cholesterol, which is the bad cholesterol. It is what gets oxidized and sticks to your arteries, forming the plaque that will cause blockages. And you have HDL cholesterol, which is the good cholesterol. Conversely, it acts like a broom sweeping up bad cholesterol and taking it to the liver to be eliminated. Garlic does something amazing. It reduces LDL cholesterol and increases HDL cholesterol, like having a double effect. A meta-analysis, gathering multiple studies, examined 39 different studies and found that garlic reduces total cholesterol by an average of 17 points and LDL cholesterol by about 9 points. It may sound small, but those points make a difference, a very big difference in your cardiovascular risk. Additionally, garlic also reduces triglycerides. Triglycerides are another type of fat in the blood that, when high, increases your heart disease risk. On the other hand, lemon contains pectin, and pectin is a soluble fiber that captures cholesterol in your intestine and prevents it from being absorbed into the blood, like placing a net to catch cholesterol before it enters your bloodstream. When you combine both, the effect is stronger. Garlic works from the inside, reducing cholesterol production in the liver, and lemon works from the outside, blocking its absorption. If you have high cholesterol, in 7 days you still will not see significant changes in tests, but your body is already working in the right direction. And if you continue the protocol for 30 days, then you will see significant changes in your test results. And now to the third benefit, the most important and long-lasting. The third benefit is the actual cleaning of your arteries, and this is what really prevents heart attacks and strokes. As I explained earlier in the beginning, your arteries gradually become blocked by that plaque, and that plaque hardens. Arteries narrow and eventually can become completely blocked. There, garlic contains compounds that actually dissolve that plaque. Not all plaque, of course, because very old plaque will calcify and will be there forever and is very difficult to remove. But you can significantly reduce new plaque, recent plaque, though the benefits are undeniable. A fascinating study published in the Journal of Nutrition on carotid arteries, those arteries that carry blood to the brain. The participants in that study, who consumed garlic daily for 1 year, reduced the thickness of plaque in the carotid arteries by 18%. This means less plaque, more blood flow, and less stroke risk. But here is the most interesting thing. The study also showed that people who did not use garlic had a 5% increase in arterial thickness. That means your arteries can continue to become blocked if you do not use garlic. So garlic not only cleans your arteries, but also prevents them from continuing to become blocked. Lemon contributes in a different way. Vitamin C from lemon is essential for collagen production, and collagen keeps your arteries flexible, elastic. Flexible arteries mean better blood flow and lower blood pressure. In 7 days, your body will begin this cleaning process. Do not expect miraculous results in 1 week, but you will have already started a repair and cleaning process that, if maintained, you can reverse many years of damage. How to prepare it correctly. Now perhaps you are thinking how to prepare it correctly. The preparation is very important. It is the most important part of this video, because if you prepare it incorrectly, you will waste time and not see results. You need 4 ingredients to make it. Number 1. 4 cloves of fresh raw garlic. Should be organic garlic if possible. Garlic powder or capsules will not be as effective. Number 2. 2 large lemons, also should be organic and with peel. The peel contains important compounds you do not want to lose. Number 3. Half a liter of filtered water. Number 4. Optional but recommended, a spoonful of raw honey to improve the flavor. Now here is the exact protocol. Step number 1. You peel 4 cloves of garlic, cut them in half or crush them lightly. This activates the allicin. Leave them in the air for 10 minutes. This step is crucial. Allicin needs those 10 minutes to form completely. Step number 2, while the garlic rests, wash the lemons thoroughly. Cut them into pieces without removing the peel. The peel contains important flavonoids. Step number 3, put the garlic and lemon in a blender. Add half a liter of water. Blend at high speed for 2 minutes until completely smooth. Step number 4 is very important. Strain the mixture using a thin cloth or fine sieve. You will have about 400 to 450 ml of liquid. Step number 5, store this liquid in a glass jar with a lid in the refrigerator. This will be enough for 7 days. How to use it? Every morning on an empty stomach, drink a small glass of about 60 milliliter. This is like a shot or a small glass. The essential thing is to drink it on an empty stomach. This maximizes the absorption of all the active compounds. After drinking the shot, wait 30 minutes before eating breakfast. It will taste unpleasant. I will not lie to you. It is not tasty. It has a strong, sour, spicy taste. That is why some people add a small spoonful of honey to soften it a bit. But the flavor is a sign that it is working. These active compounds are what have that strong flavor. And a tip, after drinking, you can choose some fresh mint leaves or parsley. This will help you neutralize the garlic smell. The basic protocol is 7 days. This is enough to see the first changes, especially in blood pressure. But if you want deeper results on cholesterol and arterial cleaning, the full protocol is 21 days. You do 7 days of treatment, rest 7 days, and repeat another 7 days. Many of my patients do this protocol twice a year as a maintenance measure, and I have seen very excellent results. I personally do it once a year, usually after the end-of-year holidays when I eat a bit more than usual. Important warnings. Before you run off to prepare this, I need to give very serious warnings. This part is very important. Pay close attention because there are situations where you should not do this protocol. Number 1. If you are taking anticoagulant medications like warfarin or high-dose aspirin or any type of blood-thinning medication, do not do this protocol without consulting a doctor, because garlic has natural anticoagulant effects. Combining with other medications can be dangerous. Number 2, if you have blood clotting problems or hemophilia, avoid this protocol completely. Number 3, if you are going to have surgery in the next 2 weeks, stop consuming garlic at least 10 days before the surgery. This is to avoid excessive bleeding. Number 4, if you have severe gastroesophageal reflux or active stomach ulcers, this protocol can irritate your stomach. In this case, it is best to wait until your previous condition improves. Number 5, if you have hypotension, low blood pressure, be careful. This protocol can lower your blood pressure levels further. Monitor your blood pressure regularly. Number 6, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, consult a doctor before starting this protocol because garlic in large amounts may not be recommended. Number 7, some people are allergic to garlic or citrus fruits and may get rashes or itching. In that case, you must stop this protocol. Beyond these warnings, this is a safe and effective protocol that has helped thousands of people around the world. Summary of the most important things. Very good. Let us summarize the most important things from this video. Number 1, a glass of lemon with garlic consumed on an empty stomach can reduce your blood pressure by 8 to 10 points in just 7 days. Number 2, reduces LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol, by an average of 9 points and increases HDL cholesterol, good cholesterol. Number 3, begins a process of arterial cleaning that if you maintain it, you can reduce arterial plaque by up to 18%. But remember the correct preparation. For cloves of garlic crushed lightly and left to rest for 10 minutes, this is the key. 2 lemons with peel, half a liter of water, blend, strain, store cold, and drink 60 ml in the morning on an empty stomach for 7 days. And respect the warnings, especially if you take anticoagulant medications or have blood clotting problems. Your arteries are the roads of your life. If they are clean, your heart works better, your organs receive more oxygen, and the risk of heart attack or stroke decreases significantly. This simple 7-day protocol can be the beginning of a change in your cardiovascular health. Now I want you to do something. Leave me in the comments section if you will try this protocol. And if you have tried it before, tell me the results you had. If this video has value to you, like it so more people can watch it or send it to others. Take good care of yourself. Your heart is the engine of your life. Protect it. And see you in the next video.